Hi, my name is Pavan from JFrog support. In this short video, we'll cover Docker command for subdomain method. So let's get started. So as a prerequisite, I have configured my Artifactory with subdomain. I have generated the reverse proxy settings over here from the HTTP settings page, and then I have loaded it on my reverse proxy server uh, with Docker access method as subdomain. And this is a prerequisite, as well as I have created the Docker repositories using the quick setup. So now we'll try to log in. So this is a format which we need to use for subdomain method. So I am passing my repository key dot followed by my domain name. Login succeeded. So now we'll try to push an image to the Artifactory. Before that, we need to tag into a specific format. I'm tagging an image. Just tag my image. So I'll push into Artifactory using command docker push docker.myartifactory.com/alpine. So as I have configured virtual repository Docker-local as an deployment for the virtual repository, so it will get uploaded in Docker-local. Still pushing it. Yeah, it's completed. Let me refresh. See if you see here, got pushed to Docker repository. Now we'll pull an image from the registry. So the format is this one. Docker pull docker.myartifactory.com/ubuntu. Ubuntu is my image name, which I wanted to pull from the registry. We can check the status in the Artifactory logs. It is going to the registry and then it is trying to fetch. Yeah. Let's validate in the Docker repository. So it get cached in the Docker remote repository. So that's a video on Docker commands when using subdomain method. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please feel free to leave a comment or feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.